In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send group emails in Gmail. If you regularly email the same set of people, like a family list, a class, or a project team, this will save you time and help you avoid missing anyone. We'll start by setting up a contact group, which Google calls a label, inside Google Contacts. Open your browser and go to Google Contacts, then sign in. Find the people you want in your group and select them by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. At the top, click the label icon, the one that looks like a little tag. You can choose an existing label if you've already made one, or create a new label. Give it a clear, memorable name, like family or project team, and save it. From now on, that label is your group list. You can edit it anytime. Add new members, remove old ones, or rename the label. If someone isn't in contacts yet, add them first, then include them in the label. These labels sync with Gmail, so you'll use the same group when composing emails. Now let's send an email to the group from Gmail. Open Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, begin typing the group name you just created. Gmail will suggest the label. Click it, and all members are added automatically. If you prefer, you can place the group in CC or BCC instead. Add your subject, write your message, and click Send. A quick privacy tip. BCC hides recipients from each other. That's great for large lists, mixed groups who don't know each other, or when you want to avoid reply-all clutter. If you use BCC, put your own address in the To field, or leave it blank if your setup allows, then place the group in BCC to protect everyone's email address. There's also an alternative method if you want a single shared address that people can email back and forth with. Use Google Groups to create a group address for your team or mailing list. Set up a group online, add members, and choose who can post and view conversations. Then send a message to the group's address, and it will distribute to everyone automatically. Replies can go to the group as well, which makes it ideal for teams or ongoing lists where membership may change frequently. Note that some organizations manage Google Group settings, so permissions might vary. That's it. Create a label in Google Contacts, email that label from Gmail, and use BCC for privacy. For a shared, collaborative address, set up a Google group. Keep your label updated and consider sending a quick test message the first time to make sure everything's set.